Hello everyone, how are you doing? For this video, we would like to show you guys our latest out-frame mode. Here is our all models for Samsung and Huawei. Totally 40 pieces. For Samsung, here we have S7H2 Note 10 Plus. These two modes for Huawei P30 Pro and Mate 20 Pro. What's difference for our this mode and our old mode? For new mode, one set have 4 pieces. This one is rubber pieces. And this one for alignment OCA and screen. This one for glass only. For the new mode, we use the position pin, so it is easy to alignment. Okay, we can notice here. The depression is alignment marking. Now we will use S10 screen as a demo. When you do S10 screen, please let the OCA hole align the mode hole. Then we align the glass. It is very sticky. Thanks for watching.